And there will be the job fair from Public Employment Service Office or the PESO in collaboration with Gordon College. All right, the job fair called GC Alab 2026 Job Fair. Okay, also in collaboration with the SBMA Labor Department. Okay, so it's gonna be on February 25 tomorrow na, no? EDSA Day 2026. That's why it's called. I guess that's why it's called Alab 2026. Tomorrow, Feb 25, Ayala Mall's Harbor Point Center, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Activity Center, that is. Meet hiring companies, explore career paths, and take your next big step forward. Open to all job seekers, fresh graduates, career shifters, and experienced professionals. Bring your resume, confidence, and your best professional look. The GC Alab 2026 Job Fair tomorrow. All right? And also happening on Friday is the Friday Cleanup Club. Every every last Friday of the month in the Subic Bay Freeport, a monthly Subic Bay Freeport wide cleanup activity. Tapat ko, linis ko, paggagandahin ko. Feb 27, Friday, 7:30 a.m. up to 8:30 a.m. Meeting place is in front of Building 229. Ang host strategic business unit this time is the operations group of the SBMA. But everybody can join. Hindi lang SBMA employees. If you guys want to join the Friday Cleanup Club, pwedeng-pwede. Sali kayo yung mga groups ninyo, yung mga organization ninyo, di ba? Lalong-lalo na yung mga youth group. This could be something that's worthwhile, no? Hindi na kung ano na yung pinagkakaabalahan, di ba? Ito na lang, no? O speaking of that, meron tayong, di ba, yung nasa latest news ngayon, no? Mamaya natapusin ko muna yung announcements. Lastly, we have this art announcement. Your ultimate guide to Art Fiesta in Subic Bay is here. All right? Art Fiesta 2026. In case you don't know, ang February kasi is Art Month. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Okay? So your weekend aesthetic is officially sorted. We're bringing the ultimate creative reset to the heart of Subic Bay this February 27 to March 1. Mag-uumpisa na. Okay? For National Arts Month. From hands-on workshops to curated local finds, this is the place to be. The place to be. All right. Merong Art Fiesta that's gonna be happening. Everything you need to know about Art Fiesta. Okay? Ito, yung right in front of Buena Casa Hotel, yung tinatawag na mini golf course, no? Ayan, okay? All right? And skip the traffic. Mag-SBMA e-bus ka na lang. The Central Business District area route. And enjoy your view on your way, huh? Okay? So, yeah, it's gonna be happening Feb 27 to March 1, the Art Festival at the former mini golf course. All right, Feb 27, 3 to 9 p.m. actually. May Feb 27 event. And then, 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Yung Feb 28 to March 1 naman is from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay? At the former mini golf course. Yan yung sa tabi ng yung malaking lot next to Building 229, the administration building of the SBMA. Ayan, those are the announcements. Yung kanina, yung